Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Kuala Lumpur and we booked this place on booking.com and the view is just awesome.
Sorry.
Thanks, Ella. The view is awesome. I mean, if you come out this window here, you can see the towers. The Petronas Towers are right here, or the Twin Towers. Once upon a time, the tallest buildings in the world, but no longer. But something I just found out today is that there's now the second biggest building in the world is currently being built in Kuala Lumpur. So we're going to go and have a little look at that very, very shortly, hence the name of the title. And yeah, we've come up here, it's our wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary, Ella. Our wedding anniversary. So we've come up here for a romantic night away and explore KL a little bit. Been a few times, never vlogged it, looking forward to vlogging it. We're gonna head out for some food after a snooze. Anniversary girl.
Hi.
What you got?
A bit of gin from home in a mayonnaise glass.
Classy bird. Where's my drink?
I was given so much gin for my birthday, I need to drink some of it. Look at our romantic setup.
Yeah.
Where's the chair? You took the chair for your time lapse.
Oh, sorry.
Saving the planet.
She's bought me some whiskey and a Hellman's. Hellman's monkey shoulder, is it? Bloody hell. Oh, it smells so strong after drinking the other night. Oh. Struggling there.
Yeah, I've just got no connection.
Where are we out? Bukit Bintang. Very light. Lots of lights around. It's a lot quieter than I've ever been here as well. Almost really busy, but obviously COVID and that, so. Just having a look. It's like mega quiet compared to usual. Normally it's even down here, but obviously COVID, no tourists, everyone's a bit afraid, so it's really, really, really quiet. And everyone's desperate for you to be at the restaurant. Not as enjoyable as normal, but need to eat. So Ella, what do you think of KL post or at this time?
It's a bit sad. It's like Gotham.
It's like Gotham.
After the Joker.
It's like Gotham after the Joker. Hiya.
Hello.
Hello. I'm good, thank you. I don't need anything, thank you. I'm okay, thank you. It's alright. It's okay, thank you. I'm okay, thank you. So I have decided that because it's our wedding anniversary, I should probably prioritize that over filming. So I'm gonna just jump into tomorrow. So what I've been discussing, what I said at the video and what's down to the title is Kuala Lumpur is currently building the world's second tallest tower after the Burj Khalifa, and it's right here. So this is called Tower M, I believe. You might want to do some more research on yourself, but this is going to be the world's second tallest tower. Now obviously Kuala Lumpur is home to the Petronas Towers, which a long time ago were the tallest towers in the world. But, so this right here is going to be the world's tallest tower. Now if you put it next to some of the other skyscrapers here, I can't really do it justice. I will do it justice from upstairs of our hotel, because our hotel has got a great view of it as well. And I'm going to do that from night time so you can sort of get an idea how big it is. But when you look at the skyline, it literally towers above it. amazingly. It's huge. And it's going to be the second tallest in the world, right here in Malaysia. How cool is that? I didn't even know it until yesterday, until I saw it. It was like, that's massive. Right guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to follow the journey. Hit the notification bell and the thumbs up. From me and the world's second highest building, I'll see you next time.